Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a radio from a Dodge Caravan. First, gather your essential tools for a smooth process. A plastic trim removal tool is crucial to avoid scratching your dashboard. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver for various fasteners. Keep a small container handy to store all the screws you remove, preventing any from getting lost. This preparation ensures a straightforward and damage-free removal. Now, let's begin by carefully prying off the lower dash trim panel. Use your plastic trim tool to avoid any damage to the surrounding surfaces. Once that's free, look for any visible screws holding the upper dash bezel in place and remove them with your Phillips head screwdriver. Then, gently detach the upper bezel, making sure to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it, like those for the climate controls. With the dash panels out of the way, you'll now see the radio unit. Locate the 4 mounting screws, typically one in each corner, and remove them using your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully slide the radio unit forward and out of its opening. Reach behind the unit to disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable. These usually have release tabs you'll need to press. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Connect your new radio's wiring harnesses and antenna, then carefully slide it back into the dash opening. Secure it with the 4 mounting screws. Reattach all the dash panels, ensuring all electrical connectors are plugged back in and the trim snaps firmly into place. Double-check everything before you're done. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.